Hello, in front of me I've got SONY XPERIA 5 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu, go to settings, enter Google Assistant and enter voice match. Enable Hey Google function, tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap finish. And let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. And enter lock screen. Tap yes. And make sure that this function is enabled. Now simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.